Yeah, I'm Gilles Hoffmann. I come from Luxembourg, from Ministry of Foreign Affairs, working for Emergency.lu. We are here together with IHP and WFP to provide internet connectivity to the rescue workers here, to the whole humanitarian community. Yeah, when we came in the airport, we saw that the situation is really bad. Everything is destroyed. In terms of communication, you see all the communication lines are down. See a lot of dead bodies on the roads. Everything is destroyed, houses are destroyed. It's really a big disaster.